Yes guys, welcome to today's POV where we're going to be driving to Halfords as a 17-year-old new driver. I've had my license since early December, but I've bought this car beforehand to learn as a learner driver. But guys, tell me it's not only me. When I first tried to insure this car, I've got quotes of £12,000. Like, come on, that's crazy. It's literally a 1.6, I do understand that. But £12,000 is crazy. I'm gonna be honest, that's way too much. This car's not even worth that at all. Even like other cars that are newer, you know, we're all getting £12,000 quotes. And to be honest, how we're driving right now is through temporary insurance. All of us, you know, that I know as well, that are young, that we got cars, we all have temporary insurance. Oh my god, there was just a bird. I was gonna run it over, it was already dead, but I just drove right over it. But yeah, let me know what's your what quote do you have, and which insurance company do you guys use? It's crazy, honestly. I'm personally looking forward to purchase some mirrors. You know, these blind spot circle mirrors? I really need them. Like, I can park, but it'll just make life way easier. You can always see the blind spots. Like, whenever you want to change lane in a dual carriageway, haven't really driven a motorway yet since I've gotten my license. But yeah, you just can't see the cars that are in your blind spot. And I want to see what else they sell. Because I've heard they sell like induction filters and like steering wheel covers. I really want to customize this car and make it my own. If you have any modifications, let me know what to buy, because I'll vlog it, you know. I'll show you guys, just like how I'm doing right now to Halfords. Even though I've passed, there's a lot of things that I want to learn. One of them is to learn how to heel and tow. Because honestly, like, even though you don't really need it, like, I was told it's mostly for bigger cars, like trucks and, you know, not like these type of cars, but it just sounds cool, just to hit the gas, heel and tow it. So that's one of the things I want to learn. If you haven't checked out my last video, go check out now. I even uploaded on TikTok. It's also Levitate, my TikTok name. It's crazy, man. There came a curve and I nearly lost control. Well, I did lose control, but I nearly slid and hit the Range Rover that was in front of me. Would have been crazy. I just got my license. But yeah, tell me if there's any crazy stories you've had when you first passed. If there's any young people like me, 17, 18, 19, 20, let me know what first car you ever bought and what's the second car. Because I know for a fact the transition from the first to second is always crazy. There's literally people that I know went from 1 litres 1.2 to, no joke, C63s. I wonder how they got insured, man. I'm getting 12k quotes on this. Last video was actually made in Christmas, and it's crazy, there was no shops that was open. There was barely anyone outside as well, but it makes sense, everybody's celebrating. Let me know how your Christmas went. Did you guys have the jolly spirit? I personally learned in a 2024 Volkswagen Polo. One thing that's different from that car to this car is the clutch, right? I mean, to be honest, that car was much newer. Everything was just nicer. But one thing is, that car never used to struggle with gears. What I mean by that is, when I used to leave it in first gear and slow down, the engine, I mean, you just used to keep on driving. This one just rumbles a lot. Like, you always have to add gas to it. Let me know how this camera is. Let me know the position if you want me to change anything. I do want to get a polarized filter, because sometimes when it's sunny, it's barely sunny in London or in the UK in general, but when it's sunny, it really affects the footage. Can't really see anything, to be honest. There's a lot of sun shining. Damn, look at Chinatown. Oh, it's actually China House. I need to stop over. Always do your mirror check, guys, I'm telling you. You never know who's here. The Land Rover dealership looks so nice. I've heard so much stories about them being hacked, losing their money, and also the reliability of them and how they're so cheap. Like, how you telling me I could get a Range Rover for 10k, like a good one as well? The issue, if Land Rover, Range Rover, or whatever, you know, if they didn't have the issue of it being stolen, bro, I would get one straight away. Even for £20,000 is crazy for a Range Rover. They're so good. You can literally look them up on just online, everywhere. You know, before this, I actually used to drive a moped. I used to have a CBT. I used to have a 50cc two-stroke. If you know, you know. These bikes are powerful. Let me look for a park. Yes guys, look at the beautiful parking.